Okay students, now we are moving ahead with the same experiment of photosynthesis that we learned in our last class. Now this is the second part of the experiment, and today we are going to learn the experiment by which we can show that chlorophyll, that is the green pigment, is essential for photosynthesis. For this purpose we need a leaf like this, which is known as variegated leaf. This I have told in the previous video also. As you can see in this leaf, some portion is green and some portion is yellow. So this type of leaf is known as variegated leaf, and this we are going to use to show that chlorophyll is essential for photosynthesis. So how are we going to do that? There are the steps. The first step is take a healthy plant, keep it in a dark room for few days, and the plant should be with variegated leaves. So we have to keep the plant into a dark room for few days. You know the reason why? Yes, to remove all the starch. After few days it will lose all its starch. So now in the leaf there will be no starch left. Then what we have to do, we have to keep it in the sunlight for few hours. After 1 week or so we will bring the plant back into the sunlight and we will keep it for few hours, and then within few hours the photosynthesis will start taking place and the starch formation will take place. Then you have to pluck one of the variegated leaves and follow the same steps for the presence of starch as described earlier. So suppose we have plucked this leaf from that plant, and now we will start searching whether the starch is present on the leaf or not. Now this I have drawn in this form of diagram to make you understand. This is our variegated leaf. As you can see, some portion is green and some portion is yellow. Where the portion is green, chlorophyll is there, and where the portion is yellow, chlorophyll is absent. So now we will take it and we will boil it in the water. After that we have to boil it again, but this time we have to boil it in the alcohol. You have already understood why we are boiling it into the alcohol? Yes. Alcohol will remove all the green color from the leaf, and after boiling in the alcohol we will see that the leaf is discolorized, or the color has gone. Now it is white. Okay. Now here the question arises, why are we removing the green color? It is so because if we are not removing the green color and then if we are checking it with the iodine, then it is difficult to understand whether the blue black color is coming or not. ब्लू ब्लैक कलर जो है वो आपको वाइट पे बहुत अच्छे से नज़र आता है, लेकिन अगर आप डायरेक्ट ग्रीन लीफ पे आयोडीन डालेंगे चेक करने के लिए तो ब्लू ब्लैक कलर ग्रीन कलर के ऊपर अच्छे से नहीं दिखता. तो पहले आपको क्या करना है, ऑल द ग्रीन पिगमेंट उसमें से निकाल देना है बाय दिस प्रोसेस. राइट नाउ द लीफ इज़ वाइट एंड नाउ वी आर एडिंग आयोडीन सॉल्यूशन टू द लीफ. व्हेन वी डू दिस वी ऑब्जर्व दिस. व्हाट आर वी गोइंग टू ऑब्जर्व? The portion which was green, that means where the chlorophyll was present, the color after addition of iodine will become blue black. That means starch is formed and hence photosynthesis has taken place. And where the color was yellow originally, that means where the chlorophyll was absent, there is no starch and hence no photosynthesis has taken place. So this particular experiment shows that chlorophyll is very essential for the process of photosynthesis. Now we shall move ahead. Now in the same experiment we have the third part to understand whether carbon dioxide is essential for photosynthesis or not. We have known that it is essential. Now in this particular experiment we will take two plants of the same size and same type, and we will again do the same thing. We will keep them in a dark room for few days, and after few days we will bring them in the sunlight and we will put a glass jar over both the plants. In plant A we will just simply put the glass jar and we will put Vaseline at the bottom so that the air cannot enter. Similarly in B1 also we are putting the glass jar and Vaseline to seal it, but here we are also keeping a chemical which is known as potassium hydroxide. The formula of potassium hydroxide is KOH. And why we are doing it? So that it will absorb the carbon dioxide. So now you understand the two conditions. In first condition, carbon dioxide is present inside the jar, and in second condition, the carbon dioxide which was present in the jar is absorbed by KOH. So there will be absence of carbon dioxide, right? After few hours, we will take one leaf from both the plants, repeat the same steps of the experiment, and we will find that the leaf from plant A shows presence of starch. तो जो एक्सपेरिमेंट हमने पहले अभी समझाया आपको कि हम लीफ लेते हैं और फिर हम उसको अल्कोहल में बॉईल करते हैं, डीकलराइज करते हैं, आयोडीन सॉल्यूशन ऐड करते हैं, तो कलर क्या हो जाता है? ब्लू ब्लैक। ऐसा कौन सी कंडीशन में होगा? कंडीशन ए में, बिकॉज इन दिस all the conditions for photosynthesis was present. Sunlight was there, chlorophyll was there, and the carbon dioxide was also there. In this, sunlight is there, chlorophyll is there, but what is absent? Carbon dioxide, which has been absorbed by the KOH. So A shows presence of starch, but leaf from plant B shows no presence of starch. So this shows that carbon dioxide is also essential for photosynthesis. Now I have jotted down some questions for you all. We have finished substantial amount of chapter. हमने चैप्टर का काफ़ी एक अच्छा पोर्शन समझ लिया है. तो ये आपको 5 क्वेश्चंस मैं दे रही हूँ जिसको आपको आंसर लिख के अपने पास रखना है. First question is, what processes would you consider essential for maintaining life? Very easy question. Second is, differentiate between autotrophic and heterotrophic mode of nutrition. At least 2 points you should write. Third question is, how is a plant able to take word is missing here. How is a plant able to take carbon dioxide and water for photosynthesis? Photosynthesis के लिए plant carbon dioxide कहाँ से लेता है और water कहाँ से लेता है, ये मतलब है question का. Number 4, what are the steps involved in photosynthesis? And question number 5 is, how do we test for starch in a leaf? तो जो आपने अभी steps पढ़े हैं starch की टेस्टिंग के लिए लीफ में, वो सारे आपको इसमें आंसर में लिखने हैं. I think you will understand